Back on out to Leah Sarich, who's learning a little bit about the art form called Pysanky this morning. Leah?
That's right, Jill. I think you almost said it right, but what I'm learning here from Donna is that there's a few different ways to say it. Good morning, Donna. Tell us just a little bit about this art form.
Well, the art form is definitely an older art form. It goes back 5,000 years into the Trypillian culture in the Ukrainian borders, and we work on a variety of eggshells. And typically they are known as Ukrainian Easter eggs, but many cultures do that. So we have a variety of different types to show you today.
Wonderful. Now, we've been debating about how to say this exactly. Can you tell us?
A lot of people will say it as Pysanka, Pysanky, plural singular, never Pysanky.
Okay.
You might get in trouble for that one.
Okay, Pysanka, right?
Yes, Pysanka.
Pysanka, wonderful. Now, you were saying you work on numerous different kinds of eggs.
Yes.
So can you walk us through some of them?
Well, we do have, obviously you can see the big ones here, they're ostrich eggs. We have a Rhea egg. Rhea eggs come from South America. There's an emu egg, we've got duck eggs, we've got turkey eggs, and a variety of different colored chicken eggs.
Wow, that's amazing. Now, do you have to do something to prep the egg before you can sort of get working on it?
Yes, you do. Some eggs are more so than others. Ostrich eggs, you do need to sand them down so they will take the dye. Turkey eggs, you need to take the spots off them. Duck eggs are really easy. You just decorate them and away you go. Goose eggs, a little vinegar and water just preps the shell to take the dye a little better.
Oh, wonderful. Now, this tradition has been around for so many thousands of years. Is it important to you to really carry on this tradition, to pass it on to the next generation?
For me it is, and why I like that is because traditionally it would be women sitting around in the evenings after the children have gone to bed making these eggs. It was more of a spiritual thing. It started out with the pagans. They decorated it for fertility, good crops, things like that. When Christianity came to Europe, Christians took over the art form as well. So, for example, dots used to mean stars and constellations. When Christianity took over, they became to represent Mary's tears. Wow. So the art form has progressed and changed over the years.
Isn't that amazing? So there's a story for each egg.
There is, because Pysanka comes from the verb pasadi, meaning to write. So it is a written blessing, a written message for that person. So when you receive that egg, that is a message of hope, love, and all good things for you.
I love this. This is beautiful. And you were very clear about that. So we're not actually painting the eggs, we're writing the eggs.
You're writing eggs.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
This is so exciting, you guys. When we come back, we're actually going to learn how to start doing some of this artwork and definitely writing the eggs here at Kensington Art Supply.
You need